traders. Zach here from the Trading Network. Hope you guys are doing well. I have a scalping video for you guys this evening. I was able to record some of my screen for my trading session on stream in the private Discord. For those of you not aware, I stream my trading every day, Monday through Friday at 9:30 a.m. for those who have access to our private Discord channel. And if you're interested in learning more about getting access, you can find information on our website, which you can find in the description below. So I'm going to go ahead and play this video. This is at normal speed, and the main reasoning for me taking this trade was good support from the moving averages, good oscillator structure as well, which you'll see when we flip back to ES here. I do often trade ES and NQ side by side, which is why you'll see me often flip back and forth there. So again, really nice oscillator structure. I'll pause this quickly. You can see the oscillators curling and crossing up. You can see we have very nice support from, this is the 200 simple moving average, this is the 200 exponential moving average, and you can see that I have my stop loss below the low of that candle, or the wick rather, and I waited in this instance for the local low to be put in. If you guys are not familiar with what a local low is, I will link the video at the end of this one and as well as the description, and you guys can check that out. So let me go ahead and play this, and you can see on the right side here that I have these targets set to market profile levels. So I'm targeting right under this 37.88 level, and I'm also targeting right under this 37.91 level. So that 37.88 is a range low from a prior regular trading hour session, and 37.91 is a overnight low from a recent overnight session. So you can see I just got hit for multiple take profits there. I only have one contract left on this particular trade, and I'm pulling up my trade so you can see my entry here at 37.79.75. I got one contract filled at 79.50 as well. Took one contract in profit at 82.75 and one contract in, I believe, at 85 or 86.75. So as the rest of this trade plays out, you will see that I really don't touch my stop loss. I kind of just wait to see if price is going to move up to that overnight low target, and it gets quite close, and we'll see what happens. So if I fast forward a little bit, you can see that price makes its way through the opportunity zone now, and I leave this trade on because I was actually anticipating, pause it one more time, I was anticipating a bounce in this area. I was anticipating the moving averages to get what I call a cradle. So a slower moving average is used as support for a faster moving average. In this case, the 50 EMA is used as support by the 21 EMA, but that did not happen, and I got closed out of that last contract. You can see here, this is, once again, it was very volatile today. This is not sped up. So you can see here, as soon as I closed that, I saw the oscillators start to curl and cross up again, which is the signature that I like to see very often when I take my trades. So you can see I got good oscillator structure, good candlestick structure, and good support, which is exactly what we had again right here when I entered this trade once more. So I'll play this. You can see how quickly this plays out, and I actually took this trade on NQ as well. So you can see very, very similar structure on NQ. I flip over to NQ and I show my chart. I've got 4 contracts long on NQ there, and we have not as good of oscillator structure, to be fair, but pretty darn good. We are curling, crossing up, showing that the bulls have momentum, and that was a really fierce move, so you can watch me pull contracts off really quickly. So I've got 4 on here, and you can watch me as soon as the candlestick structure starts to get a little bit bearish, I'll start to peel off. So I've got 3, 2, 1, and I'm out. Really quick scalp. That's how I like to play NQ most of the time. It's very volatile, it's pretty wild, and I am a fan of securing my profit as soon as I possibly can, within reason, within good risk management. So that was it for the NQ trade. You can see I'm still in the ES trade over here on the right. I'll flip over to, and this trade is a little bit less comfortable for me in this instance, and you'll see how I manage it in just a moment. So you can see the oscillators, they're not very clear. In the previous positions, very, very smooth, curling and crossing up, very, very smooth, curling and crossing up. Right here, not as ideal of a position to hold, if you will. This was my entry, and I should have taken profit in this area here. So this is likely what I'm thinking about in this trade, and I don't really like what I'm seeing with the oscillators kind of curling over, showing me that the momentum isn't necessarily to the upside with a lot of strength at the moment. And, if I don't like what I see, I'll close the trade. So if I fast forward a little bit, you can see that I close it right there. And that was, I think I was up maybe like $1,000, $1,700, something like that before I took those 2 trades. So essentially, maybe $2,000, $3,000 in a matter of, let's see, if I just rewind here, you can see my timestamp up here. It's 7:57. I think my first trade was at 52. Yeah, so about 5 minutes. So when you see high probability trade opportunity like this, take advantage of it quickly. You can step in, see good trade opportunity, secure your profit quickly, and then exit. That's my style. I like to get in, get a good trade with high risk reward, secure my profit, and wait for the next setup. If there's no setup, then maybe I'm done for the day. And a lot of times, if I am trading in the zone, shout out Mark Douglas, this is how I like to trade. I like to get in, trade maybe the first 30 minutes of the session. Again, I'm in Mountain Time, so session opens, or New York session opens at 7:30 a.m. for me, and I like to be done by 8 a.m. And that is my goal every day. Obviously, it doesn't work like that. Sometimes I get smacked around. Sometimes I got to dig out, and sometimes it takes me more trades. Sometimes it takes me longer. And again, sometimes it's not a winning day, and I just got to call it quits. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoy this different type of video, scalping videos, watching me trade, looking at my thought process while I'm trading, and kind of the technical tools that I use, how I use these technical tools. If you do enjoy this, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Also, if you're interested in learning more about the trading network, please check out the links in the description below, where you can get access to our free Facebook group where I release trade plans every day for the ES and NQ futures market. You can also get access to the tradingnetwork.io, which is our website, where you will find information on purchasing access, lifetime access to our Discord. You can also get access to the Fundamentals of Futures Trading course. You can get access to the Proprietary Indicator package, which you've seen in this video, which we've discussed briefly here. And last but not least, you will find information on our website about our one-on-one mentorship programs. I offer 4-week programs, 10-week programs, and a couple other varying lengths. Again, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this content. I appreciate you immensely, and I will see you in the next video.